is a play from the book of Daniel.
Our story comes from the book of Daniel in the Bible. King Nebuchadnezzar, the supreme leader of Babylon, was feared throughout the then known world. When he and his army swept into a country, defeat was certain. The young men of Jerusalem in Israel became captives in a strange land. They were taken to Babylon by King Nebuchadnezzar in the year 605 BC.
Another city defeated. Jerusalem, you are mine. I am the king of the world. No one can beat me and my mighty army. Take only the cleverest, strongest Israelite men from nobles and royal families. They will learn our way and serve me now.
King Nebuchadnezzar gave the captives new names. He wanted them to forget who they used to be and become Babylonians. Some of the men King Nebuchadnezzar took with him to Babylon were Hananiah, who was renamed Shadrach, Mishael, who was renamed Meshach, and Azariah, who was renamed Abednego.
In Babylon, statues and false gods were worshipped. King Nebuchadnezzar made a huge false statue and commanded everyone to fall flat on the ground to worship it when the music played.
Whoever does not fall down and worship will immediately be thrown into the blazing furnace.
The fiery furnace is not a small oven for cooking dinner or heating a house. It was a huge industrial furnace that could have been used for baking bricks or melting metals. The roaring flames could be seen leaping out of the opening.
Shadrach, Meshach, we cannot bow down to the idol of gold, no matter what the king may do to us.
No, never. We are Israelites who only worship the one true God, not that monstrosity.
This is a scary situation. It's do or die. Have you seen how high those flames are?
We cannot deny our God. After all, the first two commandments are, thou shalt not have any other idols, and thou shalt not bow down to any other gods.
I choose to be faithful to the one true God, no matter what happens.
God of our forefathers, we trust our lives to you. We know that you can save us if it is your will.
As soon as they heard the sound of the horn, flute, zither, lyre, harp, and all kinds of music, all the nations of every language fell down and worshipped the image of gold that King Nebuchadnezzar had set up. Everyone bowed to the statue except for 3 young men.
May the king live forever! You, O great and mighty king, have agreed that whoever does not bow down and worship the image of God will be thrown into the blazing furnace? Yes, that is my decree. There are some Jews who used to be the affairs of the prophets of Babylon. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, who pay no attention to your majesty. They neither serve your gods nor worship the image of God you have set up.
Furious with rage, Nebuchadnezzar summoned Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, so these men were brought before the king, and Nebuchadnezzar said to them,
Is it true, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, that you do not serve my gods or worship the image of gold I have set up? Now when you hear the music, if you are ready to fall down and worship the image I made, very good. But if you do not worship it, you will be thrown immediately into the blazing furnace. Then what God will be able to rescue you from my hand?
King Nebuchadnezzar, we do not need to defend ourselves before you in this matter.
If we are thrown into the blazing furnace, the God we serve will be able to deliver us from it and from your majesty's hand.
But we want you to know, your majesty, that we will no worship your gods or bow down to your idols.
Then Nebuchadnezzar was furious as Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, and his attitude toward them changed. He ordered the furnace heated 7 times hotter than usual and commanded some of the strongest soldiers in his army to tie up Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego and throw them into the blazing furnace. So these men were bound and thrown into the blazing furnace. flames of the fire killed the 2 soldiers who took up Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, and the 3 men firmly tied fell into the blazing furnace.
Then the king leaped to his feet in amazement and asked his advisors,
Were the 3 men that we tied up and threw into the fire?
Certainly, Majesty.
Look, I see 4 men walking around in the fire, unbound and unharmed. The 4th looks like the son of the gods. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, the servants of the Most High God, come out, come here.
So Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego came out of the fire, and everyone crowded around them. They saw that the fire had not harmed their bodies, nor was a hair on their heads singed. Their robes were not scorched, and there was no smell of fire on them.
Praise be to the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, who sent his angel to rescue his servants. They trusted in him and defied the king's command, and were willing to risk their lives rather than to serve or worship any other god except their own God.
Immediately, King Nebuchadnezzar decreed that any people of any nation or language who said anything against the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego would be cut into pieces, and their houses will be turned into piles of rubble. For no other God can save them in this way. Then the king promoted Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego in the provinces of Babylon. If you would like to read more about this story, you will find it in the book in Daniel chapter 3 in your Bible.